Hello everyone and welcome to Sunshine Teachers Training YouTube channel. You asked me for the second presentation of the Pink Tower and here I am to show you how to build the Pink Tower with two sides flushed. Now this presentation is a little more challenging than the first one. The first one is suitable for a child of about 3 years, but this one requires a little bit more of dexterity in the fingers. It requires more concentration and focus from the child. So we suggest presenting it to a child who is around 4 years old, or if you feel that your child is ready a little bit before that, then you can present this activity. So I'm going to show you how to present this and then we'll chat a little bit, okay? Today I'm going to show you how to build the Pink Tower with two sides flushed. Watch me first and then you can have a turn to try. Would you like to try? And that's how we present the Pink Tower presentation 2 with two sides flushed. I'm sure you must have noticed that it takes a lot of precision and a lot of care to do this activity. So the child needs to have reached that level of development before you introduce them to this activity. If it's presented too early and the child is not ready, they will make a lot of mistakes, which of course is fine. That's not troublesome in Montessori. We welcome mistakes. That's how children learn. But if they continually struggle with it because they are not developmentally ready, then they will feel frustrated and they'll feel like, what am I not doing right? They, internalize it and, that wouldn't leave a good feeling with them. We want them to feel empowered through their activities. So make sure to present it when they're ready. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. You asked and I delivered. If there are more materials that you would like to see, please let me know. Drop a comment. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with someone who's also in the Montessori world, who's also learning Montessori. They will also benefit. And subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. I look forward to seeing you again. Until we meet again, have a beautiful day.